TaxDome Client Academy. How to start using TaxDome as a client. Hello, this is Rick with TaxDome, and in this video we will show you how easy it is to start using the client portal where you can securely communicate with your accountant, exchange documents, pay your bills, and more. Your client account is usually created for you by your accountant. You'll only need to activate your account and to create your password. To do this, simply open the invitation email you received from your firm and click on the Activate Account link. Then, type in your password. Enter it twice to confirm it, then click Submit. That's it. You can now use your portal. To get access to your client portal in the future, you'll need to sign in with your email and password. The first page you see is your dashboard with notifications on important updates such as unpaid bills, unseen messages, pending organizers, and unread documents. You'll also find the contact info for your tax preparation or accounting firm here. The sidebar will help you navigate through your portal very quickly and easily. Documents is where you upload your documents, sign, and download the ones that were prepared for you. Messages is where you ask your accountant any questions or answer their requests. Organizers is where you answer a set of questions needed for preparing your documents. Contracts is where you sign custom engagement letters, which are used to define the scope of engagement between you and the firm you have chosen. Bills and payments is where you pay your bills and review your payments. Settings is where you add additional users to your account if you need to. Also, all of it can get done not only from the comfort of your home, but also on the go, from a mobile device or using our mobile app. Please see a separate video on how to install and use our mobile application. And that's all there is for today. If you'd like to check out more helpful videos just like this, please be sure to check out our TaxDome YouTube channel.